Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And you know what this video is about? I am going to Coachella. I was so excited that this is finally happening. It has been a dream come true, honestly, and I have about 1 hour to get ready, and I can't absolutely. Oh fuck, I forgot that I'm not wearing a mic, so I'll get my mic first. I'm so damn excited to go there and meet all these influencers. Honestly, I received a few DMs from these influencers I know. Honestly, it is just so nuts because I cannot believe this is happening to me, first of all. I'm gonna wear something so rad that all of you will be stunned. तो मैंने अभी तक मेरा outfit reveal किसी को भी नहीं दिया है, किसी को भी नहीं दिया है. You guys are the reason that I'm here. So, I mean, first, everything. यहाँ lighting को क्या हो रहा है? Anything and everything that I do first has to come to you guys first, and then I'll go and share it with the world, right? And if you think who are these influencers who actually DM'd me, one of them was Rebel Kid. Yeah, not really a big fan of her, but अब उसने text कर ही लिया था तो मेरा हो गया कि ठीक है reply कर ही देती हूँ. अब लोग इतना wait कर रहे हैं DMs का, plus they really want to know when I'll be there, what I'm wearing. So I was like, to just maintain cordial relationships with these influencers, मैंने reply कर दिया Rebel Kid को. Apart from that, who I'm really excited to meet is yeah, I'm really excited to meet nobody actually, because I feel like there's no content creator out there like me who does a fab job in influencing and in content creation. तो मुझे तो ऐसा मेरा कोई favorite है नहीं, and I think आपका भी कोई नहीं है, तो ऐसे I'm not excited to as such meet anybody else. मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा कोई मेरे स्टैंडर्ड या लेवल का है कि मैं बोलूँ ओ माय गॉड मैं तो एक्साइटेड हूँ इधर इनसे मिलने के लिए, ऐसा कोई नहीं है. बट या लाइक आई सेड आई ओनली हैव एन आवर टू गेट रेडी, सो वी शैल स्टार्ट विद आवर मेकअप. Right guys, I have set up my camera and my light and we're gonna start with our makeup. I just can't believe it took them so long to invite me, honestly, but it's all right. Better late than never. For base, I'm thinking I would like to keep it very minimal, very basic, and nothing too heavy. Really think that at Coachella, I'm not sure if it is Coachella or Coachella. Have I been pronouncing it wrong all this time? Sorry guys, I can be dumb sometimes, but yeah, I think it's Coachella. So well, for Coachella, I think people do a lot. Like they do glitters, rhinestone, like a Swarovski chandelier on their face. And I feel like I don't need so much because I already shine so much, right? मतलब मुझे इतने comments आते रहते हैं कि आप इतना glow कर रहे हो, आप में इतना shine है and all of that. तो फिर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे तो इन सब का तो need नहीं है. Like extra add-ons, I really don't have to. Like if you really want to see shine, look into my eyes. They already shine so much. I already reflect so much light that honestly, if I put on more glow, I think planes might just land on my face then, which I don't want. Like girl. And then if you want to ask about shimmer, look at my personality. It's full of shimmer. Now. Let's start with the makeup. First up, we are gonna do is spray some foxtail onto my face. I mean, look at that glow. I think I will have to leave the party soon and come back to my Airbnb, because if planes from the sky actually see this, they might straight up come down. So I have to be a little more careful regarding that. Okay, once this is in, I'm gonna go ahead and use sunscreen. Cannot miss sunscreen at all. Now. Guys, I don't really want to talk about my outfit, but every time I'm just doing my makeup, the vision keeps coming into my eyes about I look so pretty in that dress. Like you cannot absolutely. I bet you 2 fucking millions. It's a very less amount, I know, but I will bet fucking 2 fucking millions that you won't be able to imagine. Not in your wildest dreams, not in your Taylor Swift's wildest dream will you imagine how pretty I look. Okay, so manager is texting me if I am ready or no. I still have time. I was saying, what was I saying? No mind. Okay, we are done with sunscreen. I'm gonna put moisturizer on. Like I said, very basic. I'm not gonna, do a lot of makeup. Like more than 2 products, I'm not gonna use. Not I do not know if I mentioned it to you, but I feel like I'm only gonna do a skin tint, nothing too major. And for my eyes, I'm just gonna keep it neutral. I'm not going to do eye makeup at all because if I'm being honest, I feel like I want the other creators to feel comfortable. I don't want them to think, someone is overpowering or outshining them. So I felt like I will do the least makeup so that they feel comfortable because I of course want everyone to enjoy. I want everyone to enjoy their own trip. I don't want to ruin it for anyone. Even though I feel like even my bare minimum is too much for them. But sometimes you just can't help it. Okay. Next up is a skin tint. L'Oreal Paris. Huda sent me their skin tint and foundation. They were like, we would really, really want you to, do a little bit of collab video with us at Coachella. We'll send you free products. And I was like, as much as I like Huda, I have one bottle of skin tint already with me. But as you know, this year I'm trying to shop very, very less, even though that is not shopping, that is a collab. But I felt like करेंगे आराम से अभी नीड क्या है ना आराम से करेंगे जब भी मन होगा ओके ये हमने लगा लिया स्किन टिंट एंड वी आर गोना ब्रश इट आउट में थोड़े बालों में भी लग गए हैं there is something different in this air, honestly, getting ready for Coachella and being by yourself in a very beautiful Airbnb. It's living life. And if you want to know how to do this, I would do it free of cost. Now, I know a lot of people, influencers, who would actually start a business out of this. They would start selling courses or they'll start their exclusive channels, channel and email marketing, this and that, where they would trick you into they'll trick you into giving a small, like they'll trick you into giving a very small fee, maybe like 100 200 rupees, and they'll say I'll send you this and that. But honestly, I'm not that kind of a person. I would genuinely like to help you guys. So if you guys want to know how to live this life, how to get collabs, how to go to Coachella, how to meet these influencers, and just how to be the star of your own life, just comment down. And like all you have to do is just comment down. You don't have to pay me, you don't have to subscribe to my channel. Just kidding. I would really like that if you do that. But apart from that, yes, there's no fee. The only fee I would like to accept is your love. Here we go. Like I said, आपको अभी भी कुछ डिफरेंस लग ही नहीं रहा होगा. मेरा फेस जैसा था अभी भी वैसा ही है आफ्टर मेकअप. सो द प्रूफ इज राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी बैबर करती हूँ या sometimes people feel like I boast a lot, but I honestly don't. It is just reality. So if you don't have the guts to accept reality, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I'm skipping mascara also because I feel like it's very sunny out there, and if I add mascara, my lashes would literally be flared up, and then people might want to come for the shade, and I really don't want to do that. So we're gonna skip mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and do blush. A little bit, not much, using this pink one. And after this, guys, once I'm done with my makeup, it will be time for outfit. Okay, I was thinking like exactly where should I hang out, because I would want to meet these influencers, but I don't really want to hang out with them. I would like to hang out with where the crowd is really nice. So I know there's Rebel Kid, there's Riva Tharana, and a lot of other people out there. I don't even know the names of these influencers. So I will meet them, but I will go hang out somewhere backstage maybe. I do have access to backstage, so I think I'll probably just hang out there and not somewhere in the middle. I felt like I don't want a lipstick on, so I'm just gonna like line my lips with a liner. My manager is calling me back to back. I don't know why. I'll just pick the call after I'm done my makeup. This is what my makeup looks like, if you can see. Just very minimal. I almost got into an accident right here, but it's fine. I'm gonna go get my lipstick from my suitcase and see you. All right, guys, I'm done with my makeup, as you can see, and it's time. I'm thinking if I should do jewelry first or should I do my outfit first. Maybe we could do jewelry first. Guys, you won't believe what happened. Okay, so I just had a call with my manager and he told me, so Justin Bieber's team literally came to my manager and said they want Dira to come meet Justin Bieber. And I was like, I'm happy about this. So I'm not gonna act like, I don't want to meet him. I do want to meet Justin Bieber, who does not. I also said I want the front row to the concert. And yeah, so they requested my presence. I would go meet Justin Bieber and see what he has to say. They said Hailey Bieber will also be there, but I'm not really interested in seeing Hailey Bieber. I only relate to Justin Bieber. So yeah, I'm just gonna go see him also. Okay, we'll continue. First of all, we'll start with this chum chum chum. So just gonna go on my hands. I thought I could wear them on my feet. It opens up like this. I thought I could wear them on my feet, but I also have to wear boots, so I cannot. So I thought hands पे कर लेंगे अभी. This is what it looks like. Second one, gonna go here. So that is my hand jewelry. That's all. Nothing too crazy. And then I have this. Also for earrings, I just thought I'll go with this because silver. But I wanted a hint of gold. So I have these like cute ear cuffs that I'm gonna wear. Yeah. Do you see? It looks like this. So I think only one side. No, I think both sides would look nice. I am done. How do I look, guys? Rate this makeup look out of 10. Now I'm gonna show you my top for this and you are gonna love it. You are gonna go nuts. Like Dira ne kya kar diya hai? It's a very fun thing happened. I got up to go see where my top is. I've been finding all over my place and guess where it is? I was sitting on it. ये थोड़ा उल्टा है तो मैं इसको आपको स्ट्रेट करके दिखाती हूँ. I'm so excited for this one. Look at this. Like किसी ने सोचा होगा कि कोई कुर्ता पहनेगा कोचेला में like dude. Like look at this. What a stunning kurta this is. And honestly, I know everyone is gonna be like, who is that drop dead gorgeous girl walking? I feel like कोई चक्कर के गिर ना जाए तो फिर मुझे थोड़ा डर लग रहा है इस बारे में. But yeah, look at this. I'm gonna wear this and show you. This is stunning. Epitome of stunning. Okay, guys, I have my bottoms on and I'm gonna try to put the light on. I don't know how long it will last, but we're gonna try. Okay, so I have the bottom on, and this is the outfit. I'm gonna go all out with this outfit. Look at it. And guys, this is what my chappal looks like. It's a juti. I thought I would wear boots. What it looks like. So I thought a lot about the bags that I should take. Should I take Louis Vuitton? Should I take Chanel? What bag should I take? And then I was like, I don't want to tell people that I'm very rich. I own these luxury bags. So like the best bag to actually go is with a Puma bag. So I have a Puma bag with me here. You can literally see that it is Puma. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Now. And I really think nobody can give me competition for the outfit that I have here. So I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna rock it, and I'll see you at Coachella. Understand why people wear so minimal outfits to Kokela. Kokela is where you can express yourself. So you can't literally wear those normal minimal outfits. You have to wear something extravagant. My cab is here, so I'm just gonna step out now. Guys, अगर आपको लग रहा था कि ये सब झूठ है, ये बिल्कुल भी झूठ नहीं है. I'm literally going out. I'm stepping out. I'm going to Coachella, but in my dreams. I'm so sorry. So even though this was like a parody video, I still feel like if you want to go to Kokala, you can definitely do that. And like I mentioned, in your head, you can go wherever you want in this entire world. You just need to keep in mind that you have to do it in your head. So it's not actually impossible. All right, guys. I hope you liked this nonsensical video. If you did, and if at all throughout the video, if you're still here, if you're still watching this, if at any moment or any point in the video you felt really really irritated by Dira, the character that I'm playing, give me a heads up because I put in efforts for the acting bit. And if at all you got annoyed, like I said, give me a subscribe. Okay, you have to, because I think Dira deserves that. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh wait, you know how we end it? Dira, post it. One day you will leave this world behind. Live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child. These are the nights. My father told me